Hello OneMinuteLab. Today we will see how we can create vNet to vNet pairing in Azure portal. So let's move to Azure portal. As you can see, we are in Azure portal. Here in Azure services, click on virtual networks. Here you can see we have created two different networks with the name of my vNet 01 and my vNet 02. If I click on my vNet 01, here you can see address space 10.10.0.0/16 that we are using in my vNet 01. Similarly, if I go to my vNet 02, here you can see we are using address space of 192.168.0.0/16. If I go to virtual machines, here we have created two virtual machines with the name of test01 and test02. If I go to test01, here you can see the private IP address for test01 virtual machine, which is 10.10.1.4. If I go to test02, here you can see the private IP address for test02 is 192.168.1.4. We also have connected with both machines using RDP. If I go to test01, you can see here computer name is test01 and firewall for this virtual machine is off. Similarly, if I go to test02, here you can see firewall for this machine is also off. Here in test01 machine, if I open CMD and pick test02, which have an IP address of 192.168.1.4, here you can see this is not pinging. Similarly, if I go to test02 machine and open the CMD and ping the IP address of test01, which is 10.10.1.4, you can see this is also not pinging because both machines have different IP spaces. How these two machines will communicate with each other? To achieve this task, we need to create pairing between these two address spaces. For this, click on search and go to virtual networks. Here click on my vNet 01. In settings, here we have an option of pairings. Click on it. Now click on add. Give any name for this pairing. After providing name, scroll down remote pairing link, which is our vNet 02. Also provide the name for this link. Virtual network deployment model must be resource manager. In virtual network, click on drop down menu and choose your vNet. We are going to create pairing with my vNet 02. So click on it. Now click on add. As you can see, our vNet pairing is created successfully. Now if I go to my test01 machine, here you can see now this machine is pinging with our test02. Similarly, if I go to test02 machine, here you can see this is also pinging with our test01 machine. Hope you like this video. See you in next video.